Hello and welcome. These are my thoughts on the Xiaomi 11T Pro. First off, it got a 6.67 inch screen with 120Hz and it is an AMOLED dot display. It has 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The sound is by Harman Kardon, so there's a partnership there. The back camera is 108 megapixels, which is very interesting. And then we have 120 watt hypercharge. It comes with a big brick and this charges the phone very fast. And it also comes with the Snapdragon 888, which is an 8-core processor with 2.84 GHz of clock speed. Okay, so let's get into my thoughts here. Okay, so first off, let's just test out the speakers. Okay, so I have no copyright sounds and the speakers are at maximum volume, so here we go. Okay, I gotta say that the sound is actually really good. The bass isn't too great, but you can still feel a bit of a punch there. And it doesn't feel like it can't handle the loud frequencies. So I think the sound is really good. It's by Harman Kardon. But really good there. Okay, and now it's time for us to test out the screen. So it is an OLED screen, which is bright. It can reach 1000 nits. So here we go. Yeah, okay, so overall I feel like the screen, it is really good. It's bright, it's crisp, and you can see the clarity, so I gotta say, quite happy here as well. The colors, of course, is an OLED, so the contrast will be great. So nothing to complain on here, it's really good. Okay, and then we get to an important part of a phone, which is the browsing experience. When you are searching the web, when you are just using the phone. So let's see here if it is quick and if it is, nice to use. Okay, so overall I feel like the phone, it feels really snappy, it loads things quickly, and with the 120 Hz, of course, you get a nice experience using this phone on websites. So here as well, browsing experience is good. Okay, so let's test out the gaming experience, but first I would like to point out that the battery is still at 100%, even though I've been using it for a while now. So battery is really good, it's a 5000 mAh battery. But let's test out the gaming experience here with Subway Surfers. And by testing it out right now, I can feel like the colors, they look great. The high refresh rate makes it feel really snappy and nice. So yeah, there's no lag at all. Really good here. I feel like it's really good at every point at this time, but yeah, that's just how it is. And then we get to Clash Royale. So let's see how it does here. Okay, let's get into a game. I've been having some optimization issues, especially with the giant skeleton. But right now, that looks really good. So they might have fixed that, or it's just Xiaomi that has done a good job with that. But here as well, no lag, everything feels snappy. The colors, of course, look great. Maybe you can't see that on the screen right now, but yeah, really good overall. Okay, and this is the back camera filming outside. And it looks really good as well. The colors look great. And we are also testing the microphone on the phone right now. Yeah, I think it's good here as well. Okay, so overall, I think that this device is really good. It's snappy, it's fast, it looks good, it has small bezels, the sound is really good, the screen is very, very good, and the overall experience, gaming, browsing, overall is just good. So I would say that this is the most valuable phone out right now, which you can get for this type of money. And I would also say that I would get this device if I would buy an Android phone because it's so valuable. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.